ọdịnala bụ eziokwu, ọdịnala bụ ụzọ ndụ. Ị ma na o nwere olu na-eti mkpu na-asị ụmụ Igbo chigharịa, ụmụ Igbo chigharịa. Kwa mbọsị ọ na-eti, n'ụtụtụ n'abalị ọ nọ na nkụzi. Eze-Ana, Eze-Ana Ugochi tubelu, onye ọma na oraifite, onye mgbasa ozi, ozi ọma ọdịnala gaba n'ihu. Eze-Ana Ugochi tubelu, onye ọma na-eje eme ọnụ. Ọdịnala bụ ụzọ ndụ gaba n'ihu. Eze-Ana Ugochi tubelu, onye ọma na oraifite, onye mgbasa ozi, ozi ọma ọdịnala gaba n'ihu. Eze-Ana Ugochi tubelu, onye ọma na-eje eme ọnụ. Ọdịnala bụ ụzọ ndụ gaba n'ihu. Eze-Ana ga-adị, Ugochi tubelu ga-adị, Ugochi tubelu temple ọ ya adị. Maka na eziokwu akwa chacha, ndị ụka erighị anyị front and back, ndị oche eri anyị front and back. Fada si kara aka ụmụ Igbo si anyị rapụ nke anyị na nke faka mma. Bulu Baịbụl bịa, akwụkwọ akụkọ ebe chọọchị fa, obodo ụka bịakwa. Mana Ugochi tubelu ekweghị ekwe, Eze-Ana si na ọma mbe. Ọdịnala amanwụ chacha, oge ọbụla ọ na-eti, ọ nọ na nkụzi. Chukwu abịa ma gbaa gị ume, ọdịnala ya dị.
Ụtụtụ ọma nọ, abịakwanụ m n'oge awa nke eziokwu, oge anyị ji awa eziokwu niile agba, nke ọ bụ mụnwa bụ Ogbuefi Eze-Ana Ugochi tubelu na-anọ n'isi ya. Abụ m onye isi nchụaja Ugochi tubelu ọdịnala temple nke dị n'Oraifite na Anambra steeti. Abụkwazi m onye isi nchụaja na ọdịnala Restoration Prayer Ministry, bụrụkwazi onye mgbasa ozi ọdịnala Igbo. You can call me an ọdịnala evangelist. I will answer. My mission is to help people live better life. N'ụbọchị taa n'oge awa nke eziokwu, isiokwu anyị bụ what every married woman should avoid. Yes, if you really want to have successful home, what you must avoid. Ọnya ka anyị bịata ka anyị kpọọ nke bụ eziokwu niile. Mana bifo anyị gaa n'iru, ọ bụrụ na ị chọrọ isonyere anyị na aja anyị na-achụ kwa ọnwa ka ọnwa Febụwarị. Aja anyị na-achụ, aja mbunye elu, aja ịpụta ihe na anyị na-achụ 14 days. Ọ na-ebido na 6th of February, 6th of every month, and the other 19th of every month, 14 good days. Aja esigo na ya wee bulie ọtụtụ ndị mmadụ elu. Aja na okwu a na-ekwubi n'ụbọchị ọbụla na temple n'isi ndị niile bụ ndị anyị na-arụrụ ọrụ all over the world, and our fans and friends of the temple, na ndị niile sonyere anyị n'ọnwa ọbụla. Aja ọ na-abụ ụbọchị anyị na-ebido, anyị na-achụ aja bụ Esaraka, na-achụzi aja usoro ọkụ dị iche iche, wee gaje ụbọchị a ga-emechikwu ya, a ga-egbukwa anụ dị iche iche bụ Esaraka. Yes, ndị na-esonye na aja amadugo, mana maka gị gbagba onye ọfụ, ihe ị ga-eme bụ ịfọwọdụ ya 3 prayer request, then make donation token to the account number, then a chat is na WhatsApp ka nye gị the account number, natakwazie gị information a ga-eji wee book gị maka ya bụ ịda aka ọfụ n'isi gị 14 days. Distance abụrụ ebara ya n'ọrụ mmụọ maọbụ na aja ọbụla anyị na-achụ na temple. Ị nwere ike isonyere anyị all over the globe, ebe ọbụla ị nọ, all over the globe, as long as you are under the sun, and as long as n'ebe ọnwa ị nọ n'ikuku na-eru ebe anwa, you can connect yourself. Yes, atụ ndị mmadụ ebuku ego dị nke February. Then anyị gaba n'iru ihe anyị ji wee bịa n'ụbọchị taa. Echefuna n'ụbọchị Monday and ụbọchị Thursday bụ ụbọchị anyị ji enwe counseling na temple counseling is free. Then, money by fan up. However, but someone I got Ugochi to run now, we must book an appointment with me because I am all every day. I am busy. Ko ga ebe na ebiala wo na enwere ike inweta ọ na-efu gị nwere ike lament ma n'isi fa unless when you nwere ike do a lodge na hotel nearby hotel then ka je n'olu mana ọ bụrụ na ibu go appointment with me ọ ga-eme ya ọ dị easy a ọsị ọwụ na enyere appointment ibe ụbọchị agha anyị afụ gị chukwu na na makwa ghọtara ya then ọnwụkwa nne iso na ndị na-akụ ọta maka ihe ọnọdụ gị jọrọ njọ agwara gị ọ bụrụ iwe onye anyị gbagbugoro afa mana ị nwere ego iji alụ ọrụ n'ọkọrọ itiri tieta agwara gị na ị nwere ike iji ọjị na mmanya bịa ya ayọ na temple yes bịa ya ayọ na temple nwa n'ụlọ gị nwoke ọtụtụ ndị mmadụ esi n'ụzọ dị ebe gbanwere ọnọdụ so ịkụzi n'ọta agwara gị na day 2023 ga-efebụ onye ọbụla puturu extra effort ịgba mbọ ịghọtara ya yes ka anyị gabazie n'iru n'ihe anyị ji maka bịa n'ụbọchị taa anyị gwakwala gị na ya gbasara our movie na the rejected staff ọfọ yes emesigie as we speak ebidoro ime edit yesterday so ime edit ya nwere ike last for 2 weeks ma ime edit kọtụọ mesie ihe niile dị na ya tinye enwe soundtrack nke ọ bụ one of the legend Stanley Okolie use the soundtrack. Yes, it's a thing of honor. Yes, you know that somebody like Stanley Okolie, he go soundtrack, bro. I don't ever. May the Lord, may the gods keep him because he has special talent. Yes, in soundtracking, the Nigeria, they are marker. You know what I want to Stanley Okolie will do the best. Yes, it will interest you to know that this sound in the Jabata or Stanley Okolie. I'm praying for him because now I know a good idea soundtrack. It will support what an evangelization or driver. Yes. So over there, then over here we had 2 weeks. So we hope by 2 weeks today, yes, yeah, we'll go again. We'll go the promo. I got to go the promo, the video, the video. Yes, the promo video after. Yes, I get post here, but I got to like it. Then I wasn't at the proper editing. How is it completed? Then I tell you, check it as in give or take. Maybe by first week of February, the movie guy they can watch it on YouTube, you can watch it on Facebook. Yes, see here back, but it's another social media platforms and those my multi-choice. Then I come on, then I want to give one kind of photo and carry I must say immediately that one by February I get shoot one other movie. Yes, I gotta shoot steady throughout the year because the one kind of photo this ordinary evangelization they really not so to need. He had an art na movie Kuzima, and art into movie. Go we can do no. So no I got career by speaking, word of mouth. I art and a few we can simulate here very well. Okay, yes, one of our set goals 2023. And we are pushing it. Yes. Then I bet it's your idea. It's your idea about your one you open married women should avoid. if you actually you want to enjoy their home, their marriage. Get it? Here the be our one of admonition to advise you. Gịnị marriage n'ọdịnala Igbo n'Igbo spirituality? Ọ bụ nkwekọrịta nwoke na nwaanyị, alụmdi na nwunye dị n'etiti nwoke na nwaanyị. Wee sizie ụmụ nwaanyị taa ka ndụ ụlọ ọdụ ihe nwere ike ime avoid bad friends. Those friends nwere negative influence on you. Especially avoid those your mates, those ladies. You know how you call them, make are single, but now you are married. There's no point keeping them as your tight friends. You know why? They are still single. They are still mingling. They mingle with single guys too. Their thinking goes along that line, what they will do in order to get married. Or maybe some of them that choose not to marry, to have their fun. Now you are married. You are no longer in the same position with them. Now, their thinking should be along family line, knowing fully well that you are like a mother to your husband. Yes, marry who you will be acting like a mother, a sister, a friend, a confidant too. So when you are married, you are all this to your husband. So if you want to keep confidence as a woman, look for successful married women. Those women that over the years build their marriage intact. Their life the worthy of emulation. Ọ ha ka ị ga na-anya. Ọ bụrụ ndị na-ebi ndụ na-agbanyeghị n'ụmụ na-ebi ndụ akpa agwa iko ma ọ bụ ndị na-disrespect their husband. Ọ bụrụ ha ka ị ga na-eme emulate maka ọdịmma gị. So ihe ị ga-ebu ụzọ mee one, if you want to have role models, look up to those women that have managed their home effectively. Then, if you must keep your single friends, let it be just casual. Don't discuss about your husband with them. You get why? By so doing, some families are in shambles today because they choose to discuss their husband with their single friends. Avoid that. It kills. Number two, avoid giving your ex-boyfriend. Yes, those guys you once dated. Yes, when you're single. Never you commit blunder by giving them their phone number. You dated this guy years back, and for reasons best known to them, they did not find you attractive enough. They did not consider you as a woman good enough to be their wife. Because of one useless excuse or the other, they abandoned you. Maybe moved on. Some of them are married, some of them are still single. But one day they will tell you, hey, Inky baby. Inky baby. Remember old days, that old days. How we used to roll, how we used to rock. But we don't remind them again. Those things you go in their share together. And now he's back and they'll ask you for your phone number. My sister, Please don't give him your phone number. He's back in your life now to destroy you. Yes, he's back now in your life to destroy you. If you're wise, never you give him your phone number, because 99% of those your ex boyfriend that came back to your life, they came back to your life to destroy you. Those people, you know them, those ones that will still admire you. Hey, hey, see your booms, see your bombs, see your this, hey, you're cute, you're this and that. Ọ chọrọ ka ọ bụrụ azụ ọgwụ nke egboro na agba. Ọ chọrọ ibido ya na second missionary journey. And he will destroy your home. He will say, hey, hey, Makazi, hey, start reminding you old days. It was a making car, it was a making car, it was a talk, shoot honey. You will make the Maya Mugudo with the phone number when you sorry with your name. Because your attention will be divided. Let me tell you one thing you don't know about we men. Men are so intelligent if you don't know. Men are so intelligent. When you drop your caring, being fond of us, we know. We understand that when you got married to a woman, yes, when you guys are dating, maybe as fiancé, the love of the woman is very high. And we also understand that when a woman starts giving birth, her love for you is divided. Yes, we understand because he is now paying attention to the baby and to you, the husband. Though it's not supposed to be, because they're supposed to take care of you as the husband, then jointly, two of you will join hand for the baby, because the baby is a product of love once shared between the two partners. You know, but we understand that your woman might not be at her peak because of making babies, taking care of her chores and whatever. She might not be that sexy and hot all over you the way she used to do when she normally visits you. You understand? Smelling nice and rest of that. You understand all that? Yeah? But madam, you will not add it up with serving another person. You can't serve two masters at the same time and give them equal attention. That man that is asking you for your number, he asked you for what? He said, I saw that once in a while he will chat you, this and that. Don't give him your phone number. He's coming to destroy your home. It has happened to many and it will happen to you. I'm not a prophet of doom, but I will advise you to avoid them. They have destroyed some homes using these titles. To avoid putting your marriage in shambles. Be warned. Don't give the person your phone number, especially those guys that sugar-coated guys. Those guys that knows how to, sweep off a woman. Yes. That flat. Those ones that will be start admiring your booms, your bombs, and they say, hey, this and that. Avoid them. They are cancerous. They will destroy your home. If it's a matured man that respects, knows, understand what marriage is all about, he has nothing to that forbid death of a married woman like me. Even if you give me the whole Nigeria, the whole world, yes, we are once dated, yes, I did a married woman, you are a woman, forget it. Yes, we can still be just greeting, madam, take email, how is your family, couldn't they be of man, this and that. But anything of my hands, you know what I mean? Yes, unless she's somebody of that magnitude, somebody that is in that same level, that real ordinary person that forbid this. If not, don't try it. It will destroy your home. They have destroyed so many homes, and I pray they will not destroy yours. Don't give your phone number. They will start be as in caring for you. At a stage, you will start comparing the man and their husband. And once you start comparing your husband and the other guy, maybe your ex, you get it all wrong. So avoid it. Tomorrow. Take it from Ogbuefi Eze-Ana and Ugochi tubelu. Avoid it. They will start telling you maybe. That's why you see some women after giving birth to 1, 2, 3, they born it. You understand? Ọ bụrụ etu ọnwa marriage adịkwa na-atọ ụtọ n'ụtụtụ. Yes. Agwa m nọọ ndị married women ka nke that yes. Marriage adịghị atọ ụtọ na in the morning. The morning of your marriage, yes. Oge marriage ji atọ ụtọ mgbe unu sachagoro nwa. Gatago kechaa nwa unu ji. Nwa unu mụchaa nwaanyị mgbe aka marriage ji atọ. Mana mgbe a na-enwe stress of hustling, ya asị dị weta ego ụgwọ akwụkwọ, weta ego ụgwọ na ọ na-agbakasị ya. Especially when the man ain't want the money. So imagine that time on our platonic relationship. And when you hold on our border, and when you go on those old school days. And then go wow. There now losing some casual places, maybe a one accusing a computer school. Then what are some free money, another uncle, or that they live large in a lodge. They put to it. You will not compensate marriage. The one that marriage with a different ball game. The other go marriage we hold on outside. They don't even natural capital. Then outside natural capital. So more money gauge relationship we compare marriage. We get it all wrong. The other yeah. So relationship the man might be spending on you. Go Android phone. Go everything for you because you don't going to marry you. You don't ever we are compare as you go. Trying to settle you. At the same time, marriage is beyond that. So, when you your S, when I compare your husband, you get it all wrong. You want. Also, Johnny Kumakia bone. Or for any reason. Or for any reason. You are a married woman. Then avoid those friends that is not adding value to you. Those friends that will always advise you negatively to fight your husband. Now they cheat. Get cheat here. Ha! Which are the queer? They go garage destroy your home. All one down and agwa get shit where. Now digging a mere. Ha get your digging. Need a shit to be. We are your Marshall plan. I don't be able to forget. Or one I think if you know that they are trust or in leadership. I get your plan that I is smoother than that. Those are your friends. Now one leadership. Then I work on our marker, then I work on wolf. I want that people say you're going to die. Then I think I work on our marker, working away on our marker, working away on our people. Don't be deceived. No guy that I didn't want the wolf is equal. I want to dig advance support working. I want you know. Yes, advance support here. You support or for any reason. Need now when you need assistance for anything. Yes, and my advice, you know, come money there, not one officially. Yeah, it means I'm not knowing and know your second wife. Yes, because now you know officially your card, spiritually and physically. You know why? Ị na-anụ onye ahụ officially ọmadụgo na ya ma ebute ya n'idebunye gị ọmadụgo na ihe ọbụla unu na-eme na home unu build ya ọmara unu mma mana ọ bụrụ na ọ na official then one you spend more. You know why? Ọ na official ị nwere ike jegoro kwụọ ụgwọ hotel maybe 10k then you kwụọ ụgwọ nkwobi ihe taking ya out gwọrọ ya azụ point and kill. by the time you reach us, 1 month, you can take care of Zagago. Then, you must see in Kama, you were just then you go much up. I got much up here, and you got less than 10K, unless you go to work at home. By the time you must have go on a single Sunday out and you got 30K. If not, the more expensive. How come money go to but I don't know. Only spend the good going to be on one and not one. Ninyaka na business, Ninyaka na one thing or the other. You say, but not justify your spending. And then cause of no one, it is sure. No one will cable so, Guinea, on a data. Manobona, happier as a single lady. You go so good spend the bono. Or can I acquire another person only who be and Macane when I name Mania? Or the possibly you put all your baby, you put up on a baby. So I want to point to what the game saying with Anya and the disadvantage if you know to that myself. So I'm advising you as a man. And the other there, you avoid it. As a woman, it's not a digging a for any reason. I want to dig it irresponsible. They move away from one hotel to the other. Yes, all act of irresponsibility. I want to dig it irresponsible. No, I think irresponsible. When she also says one of the 10 agoromo monso. A man may not want to hotel. He said, no. If for any reason, now I'm feel that I won't need the assistant. I'm not the official. I says that they are permitted to remove no nation. Depends the nature in life. But for me, for now, I'm of the opinion not necessary for now. Now, but then I check a while ago. All one neighbor one. It's one and for listening that digging about you don't even evidence. He never won't kill. After all, he had the good for them, if I'm good for them. Imeponia. Makanoke so long the man with the Okongo, no Amakoke. I want that the marriage is no longer palatable, but then I permitted you peaceful separation. You can decide to go here, but after all, I want to believe in a single wood to carry a marriage. Yeah, so depending from English and Nianya, you come on a total no care. Yotalia? Yes. You will keep the long way. Yes. It is free, money is free indeed. Manobo no, is in the data, but money in ala Puanya. A man, only learning category, he can to so it's one of the things that one you look at one you look, what can I want you approve? One you book a mother. Okay, let me give you an example. When you want one, no, a mother to your husband. What to go there where you be hot job, or she cares that would less or be hot job. You are there as a guide, both spiritual and physical guide. So imagine because of my husband, the guy heroes up. It's like I go and get heroes up. I'm on a never not about it. I need you never make a woman game with them. They can't go one thing. You guess I did it all about you. You never made those funny calls. Now, one game, no brother, but she will or he will keep it to his heart. And those you get man and mommy in a body, I know we can be a channel over and Messia, authority obey, and he do what will shock you, Buna. Wow, what to invest about 18, 19, 20 years, 22. A triac, see at that time, you go or what mommy of in a making. He had the shock, a man on the take note. Yes. In a man, I call now, but you can't get a dodge, you may call you here when your husband is away, your son or your daughter. Children are not nowadays who put that way. Ogamano will call mommy and actual come and all your money reached. You know, Talia? By so doing, they destroy your whole future home. By the time when you can dig out, someone a dig about to go to whatever. If one was happen to get very stubborn. No matter happen to very stubborn. You want to get an egg against it. Or what is Jack going to do? Look at my abuse. Looking at why approve. A mother that's supposed to build a home. Makana by so you are destroying your home. And the cause of email to anwa. Why you would the incubator? Why you would the engine home? Why you would the brain boss? The radiation a woman radiates is too much. If a woman is purer, she with her vibration, feminine vibration, can purify the man's impure vibration with her purity. Makana woman is the mediatrix of all graces. Onya batara ogoro ndo karo. Aga go the virtues of Jesus. God gave Mary. Mana Mary nwere ihe add na nke ya add na nke Jesus. No mediatrix of all graces. Nwaanyị nwe onye nkesa amara. Nwaanyị na-amụ mmụọ na mmụọ ya nwoke mmụọ nwaanyị. All blessing. Onye nkesa amara ka nwaanyị bụ. Woman is the compendium of mystery. Maka iyo nwaanyị. So nwaanyị amasị na nwoke ga mee ka ime o nwere ihe bụ n'ọrụ ka dị tabernacle. Ọ nwụrụ ụmụ nwaanyị ghọtara ihe abụ. For you carry holiness. You carry the spiritual power. Ihe bụ na mmadụ bụrụ mmadụ 9 months. Ịdị ka onye okike ịwụ dị adị incubator. So you carry yourself with dignity. Nke bụ isiokwu na nwaanyị ọgwụ na-bido ịgba ọdị. Ọ na-affect ya. Yes. Ọ bụrụ na nwoke kere ike, mgbe ọ bụrụ ị na-eme ihe etu a, ọ na-ewepụ ike ya. Ọ ga na-emebiri ihe, ọ bụrụ na onye akpọrọ ọrụ, ọ ga na-water spiritual power ya taa. Ọ nyabata m nwa Ogbuefi Eze-Ana Ugochi. I can tolerate disobedience. Yes. As in, ị na-eme isi ike. Mana nke m ama tolerate. Yes, today, tomorrow. Nwaanyị na-anụ nwa a na-anwa were this my honey pot. Wee nye onye ọzọ, marriage is over. You ghọtara ya? Yes. Reason bụ na if a woman decide to define herself to that level, yes, mgbe ọbụla go with here na Ethiopia, ọ na-define na water down their vibrations. So, ọtụtụ ụmụ nwoke business ha crash today bụ as a result of corrupt vibrations ha received from their woman n'agbanyeghị. So avoid that. It's so cancerous and it will destroy your home. Yes, ọ ihe ị ga-eme. Nke ọzọzi bụ ọ bụrụ na ịbụ nwaanyị, ọ bụrụ na eje gụọrọ akwụkwọ Shinbook ya afọ ebe kwuru na Chineke wee na-asị nwaanyị na-ekwu okwu maka nwaanyị isi mkpe. Ka onye bụ nwaanyị isi mkpe? Nwaanyị isi mkpe ọ nwaanyị ọbụla di ya nwụrụ bụ nwaanyị isi mkpe? The answer bụ no. Nwaanyị isi mkpe bụ nwaanyị anwa di ya nwụrụ mana ka di ya nwụrụ enwere ọtụtụ ụmụ nwoke ndị enyi ya na-enyere ya aka n'azụ ụmụasị, na-enyere ya aka na-akwụ ụgwọ ụlọ, na-enyere ya aka na-abụrụ ahụzi ya, na-enyere ya aka na-agwa na-eje Mr. Beast, na-eje kpọrọ ya na-eje ebe a na-ata azụ, dịọ na nke Amaka na-egbu azụ, dịọ na nke ebe dị iche na-agwọrọ ya anụ na-ata. Then n'anya mmadụ enwere ka ọ na di ya ngwo years back. N'anya mmadụ ọ nwaanyị ajadu, ma n'anya mmụọ ọ bụrụ nwaanyị ajadu. Ụfọdụ ka ihe afụzi mgbe ahazi ka ọ ya ebu eziri nke bụ ibu o maintain mezi onwe ya efụzi ya mgbe ọ na-ementenzi the bombs, the booms, everywhere. A na-etu ya afa mgbe aka ọ gara edire esisi asị na ya nwa agbọghọ. O nwere ike ọ bụrụ mother of 5 children. Ghọtara ya? Ihe na-achọ ịkọwara gị bụ na at that point in time, physically you're a widow, but spiritually you're not a widow. You know why? O nwere ihe na-ala. In fact, ụfọdụ n'ime ha bụ dị now ka ọ tawara nke bụ ndụ kọba ndụ. Efu ya ihe afụkwu ya n'ahụ ya fụ na ọkịta akụ kọwara ndụ. Ghọtara ya? So by so doing now we lack nothing. lack nothing. And for the fact they lack nothing spiritually, now onye na-etu anya nwere ike isi Chineke ga nwaanyị ajadu nwaanyị bịa ibe onye nwaanyị ajadu maka na lack nothing. Browse a na-browse na-echenjiri oyi na-akwụrụ ugwu na-akwụrụ ụmụaka ụgwọ akwụkwọ ọkụta aka iribere ife. So therefore spiritually you're not nwaanyị ajadu. Ime onye nwaanyị ajadu. Nwaanyị ajadu bụ onye di ya nwụrụ. Di ya nwụchaa odekọba onwe ya. Onwe ọzọ onye na-abrowse ya. Onwe ọzọ onye na-abrowse ya. Then ọ na-atasi ahụfụ na-agba ahụzụ ozi karịa na etu o si ahụzụ bụ oge dị nọ na-agba mbọ ịkwụ ụgwọ ụlọ na-akwụrụ ụmụ ya ụgwọ akwụkwọ na-eme nnọọ ihe niile nwere onye na-enyemaka. Ụdị nwaanyị a ka ọ ya abụ imejọọ ya o wee kpọkuo Chineke kụso niile nke ndị agha si Chukwu okike anyanwụ nwaanyị ajadu dịrị anyị onwe ya the pressure, dịrị anyị onwe ya everything, sacrifice ya her joy, her browsing and everything maka ọdịmma ụmụ ya ka ụmụ ya ghara inwe distraction. And ya nwere inwe distraction ya nwee ike zụọ ụmụ ya wee mejọọ ya o wee baa akwa arịrị wee kwupie okwu n'isi gị. Ọ nke a bụ nwaanyị ajadu. Ọnya bụ nke dị ile. Ọ bụrụ ọgụ nwere onwe gị dị nwere ị na-atara ndụ na akwọrọ ndụ ahụ na-agbapụta ekwu ndị nwaanyị ajadu mma. Ịghọtara ya? So that thing, that browse na anwụ ọ na-ebi na anyị onwe ya nye na mmeri ya ka ọ bụrụ nwaanyị dị ike. Ịghọtara ya? Ọ bụrụ ị na-epotori chi esi na nwaanyị ajadu. Ịghọtara ya? So gịnị ka m na-ekwu n'ụbọchị taa? Ihe ọbụla bụ nwaanyị ọbụla bụ nwaanyị nụrụ di ime ihe ndị a ọ ga-abara nri bara ezinụlọ gị n'aha Chukwu okike nke pụrụ ime ihe niile. Ekwubie m okwu n'aha Chukwu okike nke pụrụ ime ihe niile, onye ike niile si n'aka ya abịa. Ka ha rabụ ndị niile sonyere n'oge awa nke eziokwu na ndị niile ga-emecha wee fụ vidiyo a na soshal midia ma ọ bụ n'ebe ọbụla. May they receive help, may they be protected. Nwaanyị niile na-ata afụfụ n'ụzọ dị iche iche in their various marriages, may they receive help, may they be favored. All of them that their husband have abandoned, all of them that are suffering in their marriage, all of them that are suffering in the home, their husband homes, may they be protected, may they be blessed. May the blessing of the Most High be with them in abundance. N'aha Chukwu okike nke pụrụ ime ihe niile, onye ike niile si n'aka ya ya gazie ndị na-echa vidiyo tụsara ya ndị ọzọ ka ọ dịkwa echi niile n'oge awa nke eziokwu. Echi niile bụ Sọnde, ya gazie n'ọfọ.